Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, Enzo Maresca is asking sacking for himself. Enzo Maresca is calling Chelsea owners to sack him. Why? Guys, the same time last season, yes, at the ending part of last season, Mauricio Pochettino was asking for experienced players. For Chelsea owners, the recruitment team, the sporting directors to sign him experienced players. At the end of the season, they sack him because of that. And now, the same time of this season, ending part of this season, Enzo Maresca is also asking for same thing. Enzo Maresca is asking for experienced players. During his Liverpool press conference, guys, they asked him about the gap between Chelsea and Liverpool. And Enzo Maresca said there is much gap. Yes, he wants experienced players like Van Dijk and Alisson and co. So let's read from Enzo Maresca's own words and come and do the analysis together, guys. When they asked him about the gaps, Enzo Maresca said, in terms of the gap between Chelsea and Liverpool, it is there. You can see this clearly. My feeling is we are moving in the right direction and hopeful this gap can be smaller and smaller. He admits Chelsea need to do things in the market when asked about signing experienced players to make an impact like Van Dijk or Alisson. So guys, you see the message from Enzo Maresca that he admits Chelsea need to do things in the market when asked about signing experienced players to make an impact like Van Dijk or Alisson. So guys, that is Enzo Maresca's own words. Enzo Maresca is now calling for experienced players. And for me as a Chelsea fan, this season, this is the first time I will agree with Enzo Maresca. Yes, upon all his team selections, whatever is, this is the first time as a fan I will agree with Enzo Maresca. Calling experienced players or calling for the owners to sign him experienced players. And in fact, having experienced players in your team is crucial, super important. Nobody can deny that fact. It's a fact. Major, huge, important factor. See, having experienced players in your team, they are important on the pitch and off the pitch. Having experienced players in your team, see, they are important in the dressing room. Having experienced players in your team, they help managers, for managers to get their work easy. And at the end of the day, the team win. We the fans also become what? Happy. So having experienced squad, having a balanced squad are so crucial. And let's look at some importance of having experienced players in your team. Number one, see, you see some games, you need experienced players, yes, to control our young players, yes, our young guys, to let them know that, guys, we can do it. We can do it. I can still remember this season, our first league against Ipswich Town. Chelsea conceded an early goal in that game, guys, if you can remember. Since we conceded that early goal, our guys' morals went down. Our players' morals went down because they are all young players. Nobody is there to encourage someone or each other. No. They are all same age bracket. So they don't have senior player among themselves to tell them that, guys, let's move on. We can do it. And yet we are not lucky. We are also having inexperienced manager. So some games, you need those experienced players to control the game. Yes, to give the young guys the belief that they can do it. Even if Chelsea concede from the first minutes, you need that experienced players to what? Motivate the young guys. To let them know that it is not over. The bones are not rotten until it is over. But go and watch that game. Immediately we considered that early goal, the game was done and dusted. Our players' morals, yes, their motivation, everything went down. At the end, we lost that game. Ipswich Town game. This season, the same. So many games I can tell you, even against Manchester City, we score an early goal. If you can remember, the second leg, we were still explosive. We were still attacking as if we were chasing the game. A big game like this, Chelsea Manchester City, you score the first goal. What should you do? Now, don't be explosive. Don't be open. Don't be vulnerable. Manage the game. But go and watch the game. Immediately we scored the first goal, Chelsea was still attacking. Yes, doing 1v1 markings. Yes, and we all knew this Manchester City. They are good. So one of the reasons why we need experienced players. See, for experienced players, they know the way this game is going, we have to manage it. Or the way this game is going, we have to go for it. We have to attack. Yes, we can still win it. Even if it left 1 minute, experienced players, for them, they can able to detect and know that this game is a winnable game. Or this game, we cannot score more goals. We have to manage it. Yes, and send our 1-0 away with our 3 points. Having experienced players, they ever been in that situation. That is why we said experience. The X. It was former the X and experience it. You see, they ever seen it. They ever experience it. So for them, when it comes to pressure, it's never a new thing for them. Experienced players. So they know when a game is a winnable game and they know when to manage a game. Yes. So guys, having experienced players are super important. And this our owners, I don't understand. See, they have hard ears. They don't listen. Since last season, Chelsea fans will been crying, calling for these experienced players. To some extent, go and sign as experienced striker. They pretend as if they were to sign Osimhen. At the end of the day, the deal went off. They went and signed Kellerman. They went and signed Maguire and Co. Yes. So these our owners, for me, I don't believe them. I don't believe that. It will take a lot for them to listen to we the fans and go and bring those experienced players to balance the squad. And another reason why we need experienced players in our team, guys, Champions League football next season. We are trying to end top 4 this season. Hopefully, we end top 4. I am telling you, we can't do it without a balanced squad. If Chelsea qualify for Champions League, guys, we need a balanced squad. We need experienced players among these our young guys. But they are Chile, Liverpool and Co. going to play Champions League. Look at this season Champions League. Look at the football PSG is playing. Barcelona and Co. They are playing. In all these teams, they have experienced managers, but still they are struggling. I'm telling you, still they are not getting it easy. Want to talk of Chelsea? We having inexperienced players plus inexperienced manager. No, guys. See, I keep on saying God is not a Liverpool fan or Manchester United fan or Chelsea fan or Real Madrid fan. If you do it well, God will help you. If we don't go and strengthen this our squad, combining with experienced players, we are going to suffer. Even if Chelsea qualify for the Champions League next season, guys, we are going to suffer. I'm telling you. So, Chelsea, we need experience. See, very, very important. Unless maybe these owners want this our team to be a mid-table team. For that one, these our young guys, they can do it. At the end of the day, Chelsea finishing C, 7A. For that one, this squad, they can do it. But Chelsea competing for the Premier League title, Champions League trophy, ending top 4 every season, we need a balanced squad. We need experienced and inexperienced players to come together and give out these competitions. I'm telling you. So guys, see, no matter how the situation, let's hope this time around we are going to the summer. Our owners listen and go into the market and then start signing experienced players. Yes, we are sick and tired of these young players all over the team, the same age bracket. Yes, the same players with our inexperienced Enzo Maresca. One experienced player from our defense, one experienced striker. Even Enzo Maresca work will become easy. They are going to help Enzo Maresca. Sometimes players also help managers who. Not everything a manager can tell a player to do. Yes, manager will just tell them the tactics, deploy the tactics. The rest of the things, how to put the ball at the back of the net. Yes, how to shoot the ball. A manager cannot teach a player that thing. Yes, so you need those players who can do it and do it well. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Enzo Maresca calling for experienced players for Chelsea. Yes, that he want experienced players like Van Dijk and Alisson. Let me hear from you, your opinion, your thought. And let's come to the next topic. But before we go there, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Yes, for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And the next topic, they ask Enzo Maresca about Chelsea giving Liverpool guard of honor. If you can remember, Liverpool won the league. So, Chelsea, we are going to give them guard of honor for winning the league, Stamford Bridge on Sunday. So they asked Enzo Maresca about it, and this is what Enzo Maresca said, guys. Enzo Maresca on giving a guard of honor to Liverpool. We are going to do it. It is a tradition. They deserve it. I don't think they will be different or relaxed. Our players will probably be thinking, I would like to be there one day. Yes, so guys, that is Enzo Maresca. Yes, West. And this guard of honor, I said it already one of my videos. it is important. Yes, for we the fans, we may not like it, but for the players, it is very, very important for them, especially this our young squad, so that they can feel the premises, the atmosphere on that day that, okay, this is how it is good to win a league, a Premier League trophy. They give you guard of honor. Yes, they see, yes, the atmosphere, as I said. Yes, they can add that to their experience. It will motivate them to also do well one day so that they can lift the Premier League trophy. So Chelsea giving Liverpool guard of honor, for me, I think it is very, very important and good for this our young players. It will prepare them a lot for the future. Yes, for Chelsea in Stamford Bridge, for these players to give them guard of honor, it means that one day, if they also win it, a certain team like Arsenal or Manchester United will also give them guard of honor. Yes. So guys, Chelsea to give Liverpool guard of honor on Sunday, and after that game on Sunday, Chelsea will give end season awards. Chelsea end season awards, and the voting is ongoing as we are speaking now. You can go to Chelsea official app and give your voting. Yes, who should be Chelsea player of the season? Whether Caicedo, Cucurella, any of our players, Cole Palmer, Justin and Co, any of our players, you can go to Chelsea official app and do the votings. And this thing, it will be difficult. Yes, between Cucurella and Caicedo, who to be Chelsea player of the season, it will be difficult. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Who should be Chelsea player of the season? Whether Caicedo or Cucurella or Justin or Cole Palmer. And the preview is coming, Chelsea Liverpool game. Yes, so please turn on the notification bell. If any video arrive here, you will be the first person to see it. And don't forget to do what? Hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers and give me the belief, the motivation to give you more video. Take care, peace.